We've been talking about veneers for probably that entire time, maybe. And so, now we're starting to go down that road a little bit. So tell us kind of like your whole kind of experience and how we got to this point, man.
Yeah, so originally I met Dr. Ford at the barber shop. He was bringing his son there, and then eventually I think we were able to talk him into trying me out. Built the relationship, like you said, about 5 years ago. The entire time, you're cutting a dentist, you can't help but talk about teeth. So I ended up, going back and forth. And I think veneers is something that I kind of always wanted to do. I started with the Invisalign process, which was cool, but I kind of wanted to do something a little bit more. And
So when you're talking about Invisalign, like how long were you in Invisalign?
Invisalign, that was probably like a 10-month process.
Yeah, okay.
Is that about right?
Yeah.
So it's about 10 months. And again, it changed some things, but I think I wanted to kind of, boost up the look a little bit. And I think we talked about the veneers option.
Yeah, we started talking about veneers and we started talking about no prep veneers. And I think that's really kind of what really boosted the idea and what we started on that maybe a couple of months ago.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And then a couple of weeks ago, we brought you in so we can kind of get some records. And today we did the mock-up and we did a couple of things. Tell me about your experience today, kind of with everything.
Yeah, so I think with, first off, the experience was you hear it, and I mean, they do a good job explaining what's gonna go on, but you still kind of like, you don't know, this is not the field that I work in. And I tell you what, it was a quick, painless procedure. And then I got to see kind of the end result before the end result. And they probably shouldn't have let me do that because I'm already feeling myself. So, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it. The whole process was painless, easy. And it gives you a really, I don't even know how this stuff works. I mean, I got like a visual of what this thing is supposed to look like afterwards. And I'm just very, very excited for those results.